and play with them. He's so excited to play in the snow as well. And look at how they are like enjoying this. And guess what? They have no gloves on. They have no gloves on, and they picking up snow and throwing on each other. And I'm like, what? And Onyx is like, let me in. It's cold outside. And look at them sitting in the corner because they start to feel the cold. But he's so cute. Aww. I am loving them enjoying this weather because I know I don't. But I will not ruin their parade because as children, you want to do things that your parents really don't enjoy doing because I'm not going outside. But happy snow day to my babies and